channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing an Influenster VoxBox, and I actually received this a month ago and I just didn't have time to open it because of school and finals, and I was so stressed and I didn't have time to film or review anything. So yeah, but I already finished the semester, so now I have time. I have 2 whole months of vacation, so I'm excited. So anyways, here is the little VoxBox. It says Influenster. I'm not sure which VoxBox this is because it doesn't have a name or anything, so I guess we will find out today. And as you can see, it is sealed. Ta-da! What is it? So here is the card, and ooh, Giorgio Armani. So they sent me a Lip Power Longwear Vivid Satin Lipstick. Ooh, nice. Okay, so here is the card. Very beautiful. And apparently they sent me a lipstick. Okay, so here is the lipstick. The little box, super cute. Let me read what the card says first. Drop of Power, a long-lasting satin lipstick with an innovative drop-shaped bullet for easy application. Formulated with protective, comfortable oils and high-intensity pigments, Lip Power delivers vivid color with all-day wear, comfort, and a lightweight feel. To apply, outline lips with a tip of the drop-shaped bullet, following the curve of the Cupid's bow. Use the heart of the bullet to fill lips with pigmented color in one stroke. And it says that it's available in 20 shades. Vivid satin color, all-day wear, and comfort. Precision application. I'm excited for this. Let's see, what shade did they send me? So they sent me the shade Lip Power 400. Okay, I'm excited to see the packaging. Ooh, this is so pretty, and it kind of looks like a mascara. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty and fancy looking, and I love it. These are like my favorite colors, red and black. I don't want to open it. Okay, let me open it. I'm scared I'm going to ruin it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I thought it was going to be sticking out or something, but I'm glad it wasn't. It does turn to get the lipstick out, and that's all of the product. I love that it looks like a teardrop. I'm going to swatch it right now. It looks really pretty. So this is the color right here. It's a very beautiful red. I'm super excited for this. I'm super happy that they sent it to me. Okay, I kind of want to put it on, but I'm not sure if it's going to look good with this eye look. But let's give it a try. I do like that this is pointing, like the teardrop point, because it's like easy to apply, like on the edges and stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I feel like the eye look and my lipstick doesn't match, but anyways, it feels really good on my lips. It feels lightweight, and I love how this looks. Now I will have to see if it lasts all day because it's a long wear lipstick, so I guess I will see if it lasts all day, and if it does, I'll put it on the screen, and if it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. Anyways, I'm super excited, and thank you so much to Influenster and Giorgio Armani for sending me this beautiful lipstick. So let me know if you guys have already tried Influencer, and also let me know if you guys got the same VoxBox as me, or just let me know what have you guys been receiving lately from Influencer. And if you guys haven't signed up to Influencer, it is completely free, and I will have the link in the description box if you guys want to try them out. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me even if it's fake.